Okay, cool.
Let's show off it at dog fooding. Let's do that. Go for it, Hugs.
All right, I'll share my screen
All
now.
right, so what's the URL? Where am I going?
There's no URL. I think we deployed the contract on Mumbai a bit before the dog fooding. No, we need to work on the CI/CD. So for now, it's still in under active development on the local host.
Cool. Before we let Hux go forward with this, is there anyone who's got live network deployed software? Nay.
Moonswap.
I mean,
Sorry, you won't be able to crash our apps yet.
Yeah, we just planned this out in advance, so not today, Ryan.
all right.
All right.
Try to have something to show for Monday.
Yeah, but definitely, like as I said, like on my end, the what I can contribute to dRecruit is like mostly during the weekend and so on. So
Okay.
please, anyone here or anyone watching this dog fooding session, join us at Moonshot and help us build the next LinkedIn. All right, so this is dRecruit. We'll start and join as a builder. It will lead us to a form where we can fill in our basic profile information. So the basic profile is a standard schema on Ceramic, and I'll go ahead and fill those fields. Okay, my data got actually loaded and pre-filled because I already have a basic profile actually. It took a bit of time, but I can then save my basic profile, and it's gonna take me to the next step, which is where the developer would actually put his private contact information. So here, because I already have my contact info filled in, it pre-filled the form. But yeah, let's say I don't know, let's call him Ryan Vendetta, and we'll save this contact information for the developer.
I love that Ryan already lives in the quadratic lands. That's cool.
Okay, I don't have enough funds, so I need to pay for the gas fees as a developer, but I don't need to pay a fee or anything. So where's the component to get some funds from the faucet? Huh. That's annoying. Anyone knows how I could fund this local
Yeah, I
host
think
address?
I think it's the you click on the wallet icon and
Mhm.
that's the one. Yeah, I think the
No, you need to
Okay.
go to app.js and kind of update how it's grabbing the faucet. You're using a local node, right? Hard hat
Yeah.
thing,
yeah.
yeah. Forget how far down it is.
I just I'm confused. I think that I was able previously to like have this box. Maybe it's because yeah, like we were trying to deploy on Mumbai and there's something that's going wrong here. I guess I'll just restart the app. So in the app JS, that's why. Awesome JSON things. Cool. There's a box now. Okay. So let's grab some fonts. Right. Yeah, let's go back to our forms. Cool, it loaded a bit faster. So yeah, actually what this does, Ankit, maybe you can tell a bit more about the minting of the profile itself.
Yeah, sure. So
That's
basically, we have kind of a concept of a public profile and a private resume. So the way it kind of works is that like 3ID or Ceramic has this concept of data that is always public that you can essentially anyone else can see as long as you've connected your wallet to a DID. So that is basically the public profile that he showed, or it's called a basic profile. And then we have the dRecruit specific component, which is basically a private resume. Like for example, the details of about his name, the email, and the phone number. And the way that works is it's kind of stored as a content hash or a content ID on Ceramic, and it's encrypted. And only like the designated recipients can unlock it, and that's essentially the mechanism that we use to ensure that people who are not allowed access cannot do that. Like you must have also seen the transaction that he did right now, right? So the what happens in that transaction is he's essentially minting like a ERC1155 token on the chain, and that kind of acts as the source of truth for any particular resume. And whenever you're fetching any metadata from that, it just comes from the contract using that particular token URI. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Hux, you can go on with
awesome.
this.
Awesome. So yeah, here we are on another browser as a recruiter, and we cannot actually see the contact informations because we don't own this data or we don't have access to it. So in order to be able to do that, we need to request to unlock the contact info. So first, I'll make sure that my MetaMask is has been reset. And I'll grab some funds as well. Okay. More here. Okay, so I'll request the access to this data, and like the base fee is 0.1 ETH. So the transaction has been confirmed, and now the dev would go on the approval page, and he would see the request from the different recruiters to get his contact informations. Okay, so we have like a Lindsay here. Let's approve this recruiter, and we pay for the gas fees. And now the transaction is confirmed, and the recruiter should be able to see the contact information of the developer. And here's the actual real informations of this developer. So that's kind of where we're at. Sorry for the little local issues, and that's definitely what I'm gonna work on with Ankit during the weekend, deploying this on a real URL.
That was awesome.
So, yeah, it was good.